We got a great fight coming up between Peyton Talbot and Raoni Barcelos. Peyton Talbot, he has been a real knockout artist. He was destroying everybody, and I'm pretty confident that we might see another knockout coming. But this is the toughest challenger he has faced so far. Barcelos fought the top-tier fighters in this weight class. He has got great grappling, great cage control, and he is also good on the ground. But as long as Peyton Talbot keeps the fight on the feet, I am confident he can knock Barcelos out. He might have problems if the fight goes to the ground, but the question is, will the fight go to the ground? What's going to happen? That's a problem. I really have an opinion that Peyton Talbot might score another knockout, but Barcelos has excellent counters. I give heavy advantage to Peyton Talbot, and I want to see him fighting for the belt next. But I must be cautious because Barcelos is super experienced, and I'm saying the fight will not go the distance, but side call is Peyton Talbot to win.